Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn about operating systems. Definition: an operating system is low-level software that supports a computer's basic functions. It manages both the hardware and the software. In simple words, it works as a bridge between the user and the hardware. Microsoft Windows 10. Windows 10 was released in 2015, and it's still the most recent version of the Microsoft Windows operating system for PCs and tablets. Over the years, Microsoft released many versions of Windows, including Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and finally Windows 10. Windows 10 interface. Desktop components. While Windows 10 looks similar to older versions, it also brings many new features. Number 1. Windows background. Number 2. Windows Start button. Number 3. Windows Taskbar. Number 4. Windows notification area. Number 5. Windows date and time. And number 6. Windows Action Center. Viewing basic information about your computer. To check your PC configuration, right-click on this PC and select Properties on the desktop. Or open the Windows Start menu, right-click on this PC and choose Properties. Or simply press Windows key plus pause button to open it directly. On the System window, you can see important details about your computer, such as Windows Edition, which version of Windows 10 you are using, processor, measured in hertz or gigahertz, system type, whether your Windows is 32-bit or 64-bit, full computer name, the name assigned to your device, and finally Windows activation, showing whether your copy of Windows 10 is activated or not. Great job, everyone. Now you know what an operating system is and how to check your computer's basic information. See you in the next lesson.